The privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are. Your vision will become clear only when you look into your heart. Who looks outside, dreams. Who looks inside, awakens. I am not what happened to me, I am what I choose to become. Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life, and you will call it fate. The meeting of two personalities is like the contact of two chemical substances. If there is any reaction, both are transformed. Everything that irritates us about others can lead us to an understanding of ourselves. Your perception will become clear only when you can look into your soul. The greatest and most important problems of life are all fundamentally insoluble. They can never be solved, but only outgrown. As far as we can discern, the sole purpose of human existence is to kindle a light in the darkness of mere being. The shoe that fits one person pinches another. There is no recipe for living that suits all cases. Man needs difficulties. They are necessary for health. The most intense conflicts, if overcome, leave behind a sense of security and calm that is not easily disturbed. In all chaos, there is a cosmos. In all disorder, a secret order. The pendulum of the mind oscillates between sense and nonsense, not between right and wrong. One does not become enlightened by imagining figures of light, but by making the darkness conscious. Loneliness does not come from having no people about one, but from being unable to communicate the things that seem important to oneself, or from holding certain views which others find inadmissible. Your visions will become clear only when you can look into your own heart. Who looks outside, dreams. Who looks inside, awakes. The dream is the small hidden door in the deepest and most intimate sanctum of the soul. We cannot change anything until we accept it. Condemnation does not liberate, it oppresses. Show me a sane man, and I will cure him for you. Mistakes are, after all, the foundations of truth, and if a man does not know what a thing is, it is at least an increase in knowledge if he knows what it is not. I am not what happened to me. I am what I choose to become. Man's task is to become conscious of the contents that press upward from the unconscious.